Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the active specification. So outside the car you've got 18-inch alloy wheels, there's the black roof, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. There's some nice safety features including lane positioning assistance and speed limit recognition. Inside the car you've got the 8-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done less than 8,500 miles, and if you think it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.